Hello everybody and welcome back to your own channel Boli. After a long time I'm nervous again obviously because बहुत वक्त हो गया. अब तो मैंने justifications देना हाँ खुद का explain करना promises करना सब छोड़ दिया है because you know. So आज I just wanted to make one video and मुझे topic नहीं मिल रहा था तो मैंने सोचा कि मैंने क्या किया है जो मैं नया बोल सकती हूँ. The only thing I could come up with is that कि मैं 1 साल 2 महीने से नौकरी कर रही हूँ. That is corporate job. तो उसके बारे में कुछ बोला जाए, उसके बारे में कुछ बात किया जाए. सो इट इज़ अबाउट थिंग्स नो वन टेल्स यू अबाउट योर फर्स्ट जॉब. आई मीन फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस. अभी तो 1 साल 2 महीना हुआ है तो इतना ज़्यादा भी मेच्योरिटी एक्सपेक्ट मत करना ये वीडियो से. बट दिस इज़ फॉर दोज पीपल हु are going to start their first job, on the verge of starting their first job, or will be starting their first job soon. So बस 5 points मैंने include किए जो मुझे लगे हैं, मैंने सीखा है, जो मुझे लगता है कि अगर थोड़ा जल्दी पता हो जाता तो might have been profitable. So let's go. First is choose your sector, or this is pre-job actually. Once you're selecting or going for a job, choose your sector or industry very wisely. Once you are into one domain, once you are into one job sector, to completely switch gears, ticking all the boxes of salary, of culture, of role, of flexibility that you want is extremely difficult. 1 साल FMCG में निकाल लिया तो to shift into IT is difficult. 1 साल IT में निकाल लिया तो to shift into something else is very difficult. It's not impossible, obviously people there are getting opportunities and all, but trust me, अगर आपका क्लियर है कि आपको ये सेगमेंट में या ये सेक्टर में या ये इंडस्ट्री में आगे बढ़ना है तो गो फॉर दैट सेक्टर ओनली. इवन इफ यू आर वांटिंग, और इवन इफ योर सिचुएशन इज कि आपको कुछ 1-2 चीज़ों पे सेक्रीफाइस करना है, डू इट. इफ यू आर समबडी कि जिसको पता नहीं है कि कौन सा सेक्टर इज बेस्ट फॉर यू, then I think you should go for culture, because work pressure is everywhere in corporate and it's given. But if you get good people, good leaders, if you get good learnings in the initial years, if you get good incentives or money that we all work for, then the work pressure makes sense. मतलब अगर work pressure और ये सब काम करके मजदूरी करके ये भी कुछ ना मिले तो फिर it's not worth it. One more very common question is to go for a startup or to go for an MNC or a multinational company. If आपको पता ही है कि आपको बहुत शॉर्ट टर्म में अपना खुद का बिजनेस चालू करना है, इफ़ यू वांट टू डू दैट देन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर अ स्टार्टअप. इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न इन अ डायनामिक एनवायरनमेंट, इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न सो मेनी रोल्स एट अ टाइम, इफ़ यू वांट टू नो हाउ इट फील्स टू बी इन अ startup environment or in a entrepreneur mode, तो go for startup. If you think that you are going to start a business but अभी तक दूर तक उसका कुछ ठिकाना नहीं है, then go for an MNC. As I said, go for a culture. If you want to climb the corporate ladder, then the first break is very important. So try to choose the first company in a way that it's easier for you to climb. Okay, एक point पे इतना stick नहीं करूँगी, already 3 minutes हो गई. Second point is learn, upgrade, connect, network as much as possible. Learn very quickly, connect very quickly. Say no to nothing. I mean, never say no for any task, for any learning, for anything that is even apart from your job profile, even apart from your KRA, even if it is something that you feel that is not going to help you immediately, but trust me, any learning will help you. Ask silly questions. आप पूछोगे और जवाब मिलेगा तो हमेशा याद रहेगा, instead of people just teaching you. Upgrade yourself and upgrade your skills, not only in your domain, बाकी सब डोमेन्स में भी. जस्ट गो थ्रू द कंपनी, वॉट अदर पीपल इन अदर जॉब प्रोफाइल्स आर लर्निंग, डूइंग. सो हैव अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव लर्निंग डेवलपमेंट. आई थिंक दिस इज़ वॉट आई मिस्ड. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू कि अपने ही जॉब प्रोफाइल का सीखना भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है ऑब्वियसली, बट यू शुड बी फ्लेक्सिबल टू you know what I mean. And networking. So I learned this from my colleague. She is just like, hi, we haven't met, I am this and this, I do this and this, what do you do? मेरे में कभी इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी कि मैं किसी भी रैंडम बंदे के पास इवेंट में जाके इंट्रोड्यूस करूँ खुद को कि हाई आई एम दिस, वी हैवंट मेट, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग. सो आई हैव लर्नड दैट इट्स, जितना भी बोल लो नेटवर्किंग से कुछ नहीं होता, सब अपनी स्किल से होता है. यू कैन नॉट बॉयल द ओशन अलोन. ट्रस्ट मी, if you can only be as successful as good as your team or as good as the people around you. कभी ना कभी आपको कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ों के लिए लोगों की help चाहिए. So if you have 10 people ready to help you, you will always be in a better position than you alone knowing 10 things and doing 10 things. So learn to network. मैंने MBA में इतना नहीं सीखा, इधर जॉब में आके भी इनिशियली रेजिस्ट किया, बट नाउ आई थिंक आई कैन डू इट. सो एज फास्ट एज यू डू इट, इट्स बेटर. एंड ऑलवेज हैव अ स्मॉल टॉक रेडी, ऑलवेज. एंड इट शुड नॉट बी फोर्स्ड, मतलब इट शुड लुक नेचुरल. मतलब आप सीख के मत जाओ खुद की यही बोलोगे सब पे. सो या, नेटवर्किंग ऑल्सो हेल्प यू स्विच रोल्स. थर्ड, सो सेकेंड में मैंने बोला नेवर से नो टू एनी टास्क. सो दिस इज रिलेटेड टू इट. Respect your boundaries from day one. Day one. If you are somebody who is always available, who lets other people put their hands on your shoulder, it might seem a very small thing, but फिर वो हमेशा होगा. If you are always, saying yes to every plan, so then your no will never be accepted. There are a lot of examples. If you are somebody who picks up the calls after 8 p.m., everybody will call you after 8 p.m. I mean, respect your boundaries. Once you say yes, it's very difficult to turn it into a no. So better say no in the first place. Trust me, it's very, very important. Very, very important. No need to do things that you don't want to. I am at a very, at a pedestal level, I feel, not putting myself up there, but मैं उस जगह से बोल रही हूँ कि मुझे कभी ऐसा फेस नहीं करना पड़ा टू डू एनीथिंग दैट आई डिडंट वांट टू डू. I faced obviously in minor situations, so I'm very grateful for that, and I don't want to challenge anybody or I don't want to prove anybody wrong. But if you are in that situation, I think if you don't want to do, don't do it. If you do the second point, that is learn, upgrade, network, you will be recognized and you will get your opportunities on the plate. Take your stand, respecting boundaries के साथ. The person who always says yes to everybody and who always says yes to leaders or managers or to any point that is being put on the plate will never be respected. If you feel that no should be the answer, or if you feel that you have a different opinion, put forth strongly. अगर आप गलत भी prove होते हो, then apologize and move on. But at that point, if you feel that no, ये गलत है और मुझे ये लगता है, तो बोलो. You will always be respected for your own opinions, but then they should have some ground reality or some groundwork. So हवा में नहीं चलेगा. But if you feel that you have done it, and if you feel that all these things are wrong, even if they are seniors, you have to speak. Fourth, work-life balance. Does it exist? I don't think so. Do you have to create it? Yes, definitely. मैं नहीं create कर पाई. In the whole 1 year, I was just very busy in my job that I didn't do many things that I wanted to do in this 1 year. Too difficult for our generation especially, because हम एक्सेप्ट भी नहीं कर पाते कि हमें पूरा टाइम काम करना है, क्योंकि हमें हॉबीज़ भी फॉलो करनी है, हमें एक मीनिंगफुल लाइफ भी लीड करनी है, हमें वर्क के बाहर भी कुछ कुछ चीज़ें करनी होती है. जबकि प्रीवियस जनरेशन वॉज अडेप्टेड टू कम्प्लीटली जस्ट वर्क एंड वर्क एंड वर्क अपार्ट फ्रॉम सैटरडे संडे. सो दिस जनरेशन के लिए ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है, बट यू विल हैव टू क्रिएट इट फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. नो बडी विल गिव यू ऑन द प्लेटर. माई एग्जाम्पल, आई कुडंट फिगर इट आउट for a long time. I was completely stressed, completely frustrated, completely always thinking about my job. So, but मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी that it didn't take me to a better position. I mean, because of all my hard work that I put in, I am recognized for that. I am going forward. But at the same time, I lost so many things that I wanted to do outside of my work. So it's like कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. What you want to lose is upon you. So it's again individually सबके लिए different होगा. If you are into a company or role or work कि आपके लिए वही आपका life का purpose है, which is very rare. But अगर वो चीज़ है तो work is life and life is work. But if you feel that work is just a part of your life, then it's you who needs to, again, point number 4, set boundaries and create work-life balance for yourself. If you feel कि work ही आपका end goal है, तो very nice and it's a rare combo. But if you feel that work आपका life का सिर्फ इकलौता purpose नहीं है, you have to break it, like divert your mind and toggle between both. And last, okay, it's very long, video बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया है. Last is office politics. Does it exist? obviously. If you are into the system, you are into the politics. You cannot escape it. If you feel that, oh, मैं तो office politics का part नहीं बनूंगी, no, you are already a part of it. But again, मैंने एक leader से बहुत अच्छे से समझा है, सीखा है, that if you feel that something is right, say it. If you feel that this is ethically right, pick sides. If you want to be diplomatic, it's upon you. But if you're into corporate, you have to play politics. But again, अगर आपको लगता है कुछ ethically गलत हो रहा है तो speak up. If you feel that you don't want to speak up and stay silent because it is beneficial for you, it's different. But you cannot escape office politics. Last one pro tip that I would like to end this video with is, let the company be more dependent on you than vice versa. Period. So prove your worth in the company. Obviously, setting boundaries and वो सब work-life balance सब अलग है, but prove yourself in a company in a way that you are an asset to the company. That's it. Thank you so much for watching till the end, if you're watching till the end, because it's an 11-minute video. I love you all. See you in the next video.